Learn English through stories.
The clock that stopped time. In a quiet mountain village, there lived an old man named Thomas. He was a clockmaker, known for his clever hands and patient heart. His small shop was always full of soft ticking and the smell of oil and wood. Thomas repaired clocks for everyone, but he dreamed of something greater. He wanted to build a clock that would never stop, one that could measure time perfectly forever. For many years, he worked alone. He forgot to rest, forgot to eat well, and stopped visiting friends. Then, one snowy night, he finally finished it, a tall silver clock with small shining stars on its face. When he turned the key, it began to tick in perfect rhythm. But the next morning, he saw something strange. The clock was still ticking, but outside, the village was frozen. Snow hung in the air, unmoving. People stood still like statues. Even the river had stopped flowing. Time itself had stopped. Thomas was shocked. His perfect clock had stolen time from the world. He sat alone in the silent village, listening to the sound of the only clock still working, his own. For 3 long days, he thought about what to do. At last, he took a deep breath and broke the clock with his hammer. Instantly, the world began to move again, the snow fell, people laughed, and the river sang. When the villagers asked him what happened, Thomas just said, "Perfection is not success. Life must keep moving, even with mistakes." After that day, Thomas never tried to make a perfect clock again. Instead, he taught young people how to repair old ones. His shop was always full of noise, laughter, and imperfect clocks, but he was finally happy.